Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everybody, I apologize for the poor audio. I'm on the road this weekend and currently in my parked car in the dark, in the rain. So bear with me. We've got a very clear bearish reversal confirmation. The gravestone doji at the upper Bollinger Band resistance with that big upper wick getting rejected is a sign of weakness every time, and you can see the follow through today confirming that. Make note that if you ever see a long upper wick at the upper Bollinger Band, odds are a red day is coming. So Thursday I saw the bullish action in SPY, the bullish reversal candlestick, which had me anticipating bullish action today. And then I looked at this VIX chart, and that just put me over the top in confidence because of the way the chart was set up. So we're looking at a bunch of moving average support heading into Monday. We've got 1471, 1499, and 1501. That's the 10, 20, and 50-day moving average supports. We can see we now have some higher lows and some higher highs, but the bulls need to hold those gains to add confidence. We can see on the weekly chart yet another rejection from the 10 or the 100-week moving average resistance. We can see pretty much every week, or if not every week, every other week, the past 2 months has rejected from this point, and that's 1625. The bulls really need to close above that at the end of one of these weeks. So the MACD is getting closer and closer to the bullish cross. We are what appears to be getting ready for a break to the upside. A little bit of a fake out there on Thursday, looking great for the bulls towards the beginning of the day, looking like a breakout was in full force, but then by the end of the day, losing all that momentum. So that's why it's important. The close of the candlestick is what is most important. And we'll be looking next week for potential entry on support. You can draw an uptrend line here, hitting the higher low. Look for entry at that point, which will line up with these moving average supports, and then see if the bulls can make another attempt at these resistances, with the most important being this 100-week moving average. So it is still a bit early. And the names that we keep getting asked about is TVIX and UVXY, so we'll look at them really closely, or really quickly here on the daily chart. And the key is the middle Bollinger Band resistance. TVIX rejected again big time yesterday. That makes 7 rejections on the last 7 attempts in the last 3 months. So personally, I will not be touching any of these names until the middle Bollinger Band is support. We see people time and time again trying to get in, trying to get the bottom. We are seeing a falling knife here. There is no support. It's lower highs and lower lows the whole way. So trying to play against that trend without having key support is not beneficial. So people that are in this trade and keep seeing the rejection from the middle Bollinger Band must be hitting their heads against the wall, whereas someone like myself who's waiting for that level to become support is just patiently waiting here, no losses, waiting, stalking the trade, and not trying to get in too soon. Sure, I may miss a little bit of upside getting over that middle Bollinger Band, but the risk to reward gets tilted in your favor substantially once that moving average is support. And we'll look at UVXY, same thing, middle Bollinger Band rejecting. That key level is 1494 and continuing to slowly descend. So support, the low we have hit is 1280. That must hold, and we'll see if the bulls can hold that early next week. And I forgot to give those specific levels for TVIX. Middle Bollinger Band resistance is 336, and the low support is 288. So a lot to be watching. It does look like the bulls are attempting to change the trend, but we need to see holding on of those gains to add some confidence. So we'll check back in. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.